It's King Hot Wheels, back with another video for all you collectors of Hot Wheels and other die-casts. This is part 3 of my unboxing of some Hot Wheels that I put away in cases. This is box 2, because I had the other one in 2 parts because the camera screwed up. Here we go. Got a 1970 Monte Carlo, purple. 2012 Hot Wheels. This whole case might be. 69 Camaro in black with red interior. '70 Pontiac GTO Judge in blue with an orange base. 1967 Pontiac Firebird 400 in yellow. 66 Chevy Nova in burnt orange. '68 Copo Camaro in green, forest green. We have a '62 Chevy in gold. Another '70 Pontiac GTO Judge in red. Like that one. '61 Impala in maroon. We have a '71 Maverick Grabber in blue. '67 Oldsmobile 442 in white. Did a wheel swap on that one. We got a '71 Dodge Demon in blue, part of the racing series. Custom Volkswagen Beetle in blue, part of the racing series. Got that pipe in the back. Oh, what's this? Must have stuck that in there. '68 Olds 442 Treasure Hunt, copper. We have a '70 Dodge Hemi Challenger in blue with the white scoop on the hood. And a '70 Chevelle SS in blue. Gotta have a Chevelle. We have a '70 Ford Torino in blue. Must have collected that whole set in the racing series. I don't know if I got them all. Here's one in black, a '70 Chevelle SS. So we got the blue one and the black one. Black and blue. Oh yes, 67 Shelby GT 500 in red with white racing stripes. Like those Shelbys for Ford. 2008 Dodge Challenger SRT8 in blue. We have a '73 Pontiac Firebird in burnt orange. It's got the bird on the hood. We have a 2012 Mustang Boss 302 in blue. Here's a '81 Camaro in red. We have two 1978 Dodge L1L Red Express pickup. The other one in purple. Those smokestacks. We have a 458 Spider Ferrari in red. Like that one. We have a Ford GTX 1 in red. Convertible. We have a 2010 Ford Shelby GT 500 Super Snake in teal with an orange base. It's got the faster than ever wheels, which I believe Racegrooves said that they are faster than all the other wheels. Another 2010 Ford Shelby GT 500 Super Snake in black. Fast on the track. Hot Wheels tracks. We have a custom '69 Chevy pickup, Hot Wheels electric in green. They have Electric Company. We have a 2010 Camaro SS in white. Police. Got the grill on the front. Mazda RX-7 in blue. We have a 1970 Buick GSX in maroon red. I like this one. This is a nice one. And we have a 2006 Dodge Viper SRT-10 in green. Purple rims. We have a 67 Chevelle SS396 in green with gold wheels. Okay, let's see what's behind here. We have an Aston Martin DBS in a turquoise blue. Faster than ever wheels. We have another Aston Martin 1-77 in red. Part of the All-Stars line. Here we got a Lamborghini in blue. Couple more Lamborghinis. You got a Lamborghini in copper orange. And we have one in yellow. And we have one in silver. '71 Maverick Grabber in purple. Out of the racing. We have a custom Volkswagen Beetle in purple. Must have been trying to get all of them. Blue, purple, red, black, white. We have a 70 Dodge Hemi Challenger in white. Showed you this one before in another case. It had the goop on it. This one doesn't. Oh, they're falling out. They're falling out. Here we go. Old 442 in white. Hearst. We have a 65 Corvette Police convertible, white. And a Ferrari California in white with red and black. Painted back lights, front lights. Couple of Dodge Viper GTS-R in blue, K&N. And then we have the one in white. 1970 Camaro Road Race in red. Interior is kind of jacked up a little bit. Had the black one, I did the wheel swap on that one. We have a Honda S2000 in blue. We have a 2012 Mustang Boss 302 in black. It's got a little paint chip on the hood, on the roof. Must be a factory error. Oh yeah, this is another one of my favorite. 1971 Hemi Cuda in green. Goes nice with that Roadrunner. We have a Diesel Duty in red. Water department. Smokestacks. Pretty neat. We have two 1985 Chevy Camaro IROC Z. This one's in red. Looks like they try to paint the backlights. Yep, they did it on this one. This one's in black. Mega Duty pickup truck. We have a 2009 Corvette Stingray Concept in black with two different wheels. Copper and white. '69 Chevelle light blue see-through. Thrill Races ice with white wheels. I must have liked the color on that one. We have a Circle Trucker in black, number 30. Not bad, I like those ones. Racing. 2011 Corvette Grand Sport in white, fire department. Painted front lights, tail lights not painted. We have a 2010 Ford Mustang GT in blue, Sheriff Police. We have a Dirty Outlaw. Those outlaws racing. Go around the dirt track. And we have a 2007 Ford Shelby GT500 in purple with yellow rims, which are kind of gross. We have a C6 Corvette in silver. We have the Spin King in green and black. Light green base. Eagle Massa in light blue and gray. Canyon Carver, light blue. And the last three. Ferrari California in charcoal gray with black and red interior, convertible. 24/7, light blue, teal. And last but not least, Porsche 911 GT2 in blue. The black one out of the 3-pack. Sold on eBay. 2 of them for $9.11. 911 GT2. Okay, that's it. If you like this video or you want to subscribe to my channel, that would be cool. I have 2 more boxes to go through and I'll be filming them pretty soon. Alright, take it easy. Later.